Welcome friends, in this video we shall talk about a hand yoga pose which helps cure bronchitis, and this hand yoga pose is called as bronchitis mudra. But before we proceed ahead friends, please subscribe to our channel and share and like all our videos. So bronchitis mudra, which cures bronchitis, can be formed in two modes. The first mode is that you place the tip of the little finger at the base of the thumb. Join tip of the ring finger to the upper joint of the thumb. Join the tip of the middle finger with the tip of the thumb, and while you do this, keep the index finger straight and upright as is shown in the figure or diagram here. The second method to form this bronchitis mudra is keep the index finger straight and upright. Form Surya mudra, that is, fold the ring finger and place its tip at the base of the thumb. And form Varun mudra, that is, fold the little finger and place its tip at the base of the thumb. And form Akash mudra, that is, join tip of the middle finger with tip of the thumb. So this is second method by which you can form or do this bronchitis mudra. Bronchitis mudra. This mudra cures bronchitis. It is helpful in all respiratory ailments. It rids us of excessive mucus and swelling from the respiratory tract. This mudra gives benefits of three mudras: Akash mudra, Surya mudra and Varun mudra. We know that Akash mudra is good for ears, Surya mudra removes cough and cold from our throat, Varun mudra is good for nose and watery eyes. Therefore, we can say that the bronchitis mudra is good for the entire ear, nose and throat (ENT) system. We shall be talking about Akash, Surya and Varun mudra in the latter part of this video. You can do this bronchitis mudra for 5 minutes for 5 times a day. Akash mudra is formed by joining the tip of the middle finger with tip of the thumb and by keeping other 3 fingers straight and upright as shown in the figure here. This mudra can be done for 45 minutes per day, or if that's not possible, one can do it for 15 minutes 3 times every day. A precaution is that one should not do this mudra while walking or while eating any food. For all mudras, one should try and do them in a position when the spine is straight, for example in Vajrasan, Padmasana or Sukhasana. Benefits of Akash mudra. This mudra improves hearing abilities and it relieves of the shoulder pain. Malfunctioned thyroid or the neck pain are also relieved by this mudra. This mudra cures all ear related problems such as discharge from the ears, tinnitus or even deafness. This mudra fixes calcium deficiency in the body and it strengthens the bones. It helps in osteoporosis, tooth decay, involuntary shivering of the body and the brittle bones situations. This mudra heals heart problems, blood pressure issues, migraine, sinusitis pain and others. This mudra relieves locked jaw, a situation in which facial muscles become stiff. This mudra tremendously helps people who have tendency to waste time, wander purposelessly or behave foolishly, or who are mentally dwarfed or retarded. If you are doing Akash mudra for joint pains or arthritis or gout, it is recommended that you can do Akash mudra by one hand and you should do Prithvi mudra by the other hand. This way you may achieve the desired result sooner. This mudra is helpful during meditation as well. For any throat related irritation or cough in the throat, this mudra will be very helpful. Surya mudra. To do this mudra, fold the ring finger and place its tip at the base of the thumb. Then gently press the folded finger with your thumb and keep the other 3 fingers straight and upright as shown in this picture. This mudra should be done for 15 minutes at the most twice a day. It should not be done for more than 15 minutes as it generates a lot of heat in the body. The best time to do this mudra is morning or evening when the external heat due to sun is very less. Surya Mudra benefits. This mudra produces heat in the body and increases vitality. Therefore, it is helpful for those who always feel cold and whose hands and feet or any other part of the body remains cold. This mudra increases heat in the body, which helps cure asthma, common cold, tuberculosis, cough and sinusitis. This mudra decreases body weight. Therefore, it helps in fighting obesity. This cures obesity-related diseases such as constipation, high blood pressure, diabetes. This mudra improves body's metabolic rate as well. This mudra controls urea in blood and decreases LDL bad cholesterol in the blood. It cures of all liver ailments. It improves eyesight and cures diseases like cataract. It reduces mental tension, and this mudra also relieves headaches. Do not do this mudra while you are walking. Also, too lean or thin people should not do this mudra. Do not do this mudra if you are having fever. Also, do not do this mudra for more than 15 minutes at a time. Keep a gap of at least 2 hours between heavy meal and when you do this mudra, as both the mudra and the meal produce heat in the body. Also note that acupressure point of thyroid gland is at the base of the thumb. So when you are doing this mudra, the thumb base is pressed and it activates the thyroid gland to produce more hormones. And therefore the condition of hypothyroidism. Hypo means less, thyroidism is related to thyroid. So less secretion from thyroid gland can be cured by this mudra because the acupressure point of thyroid gland is at the base, like shown in the picture here, is at the base of the thumb. People who do desk job will gain tremendously from doing this mudra. For better results, before doing the Surya Mudra, do one of the following. Anjali Mudra, which is also called as Namaste or Namaste Mudra, will be helpful because it helps focus your mind. Or you can do Adi Mudra. After doing Surya Mudra, do one of the following. Varun Mudra, because Varun Mudra is related to water and it helps cool down any excess heat produced by doing the Surya Mudra. Or Prana Mudra or Gyan Mudra. In fact, Gyan Mudra can be done to end any yoga related or yogic activity. Before doing Surya Mudra, preferably drink a glass of water because Surya Mudra produces a lot of heat and this may cause dehydration. So drinking a glass of water before doing Surya Mudra may be helpful. Varun Mudra. To do this mudra, fold the little finger and place its tip at the base of the thumb. Then gently press the folded little finger with the thumb and keep the other 3 fingers straight and upright as shown in the picture here. This mudra involves little finger which represents water. Do this mudra when any part of your body is filled with excessive amount of water. This mudra is also known as Jalodar Nashak Mudra. Jal means water, Udar means stomach and Nashak means destroyer. This mudra destroys the swelling of soft tissues which is caused by abnormal accumulation of fluid. Do this mudra for 45 minutes a day or 15 minutes each, 3 times a day. Benefits of Varun Mudra. This mudra cures edema, also known as dropsy. It is a problem of accumulation of water in stomach, feet, ankles, hands, face and other parts of the body. This mudra cures pleurisy, which is a problem of accumulation of water in lungs. This mudra cures any body part swollen due to excessive water or fluid in it. For example, swollen feet or hands. It helps in humid asthma, humid cough, sinusitis, runny nose, watery eyes, etc. It cures symptoms of filaria, which is caused by roundworms. It cures elephantiasis, which is basically the enlargement or hardening of limbs or any other part of the body due to tissue swelling. This mudra cures watery eyes in infants. Note that one may tape the hands of infant to do this mudra also. This mudra helps in excessive urination or intermittent urination problems. This mudra helps in conditions such as leftover urine in bladder even after full peeing. It relieves heavy menstruation and cramps. Varun mudra cures excessive salivation, runny nose or watery eyes. Those who have dehydration or already have less water in the body should not perform this mudra.